YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a smaller haul from Tuesday morning. Went out with my girls and Lisa, Miss Crafty, and Susan. And we went to the Dollar Tree Lord have mercy. I'm looking at my bag right there next. We are member keepers. Crafters essentials. I picked this up. Do I need it? Probably not. It's a rotary. You can use this on wood, chipboard, and different things like that. But you know, it was $9.99, and it came with 3 different ones. So you also have a sanding tip. So I do use a piece of sandpaper to distress stuff, and you can use this to do it too. So I'm a tool gadget person. Yeah. If you haven't noticed, yeah. So anyway, I got that. And then I ended up picking up this mixed media. These are silicone brushes, which I don't think I own any. So and it was $3.99. The different tips on each end. So I'm looking forward to trying those out to see how they go. So this Dina Wakley. So yeah, I can't remember if I have this dye or not, or if I just ordered it off of when I ordered one of my other Tonics Studio dyes that's coming in, because I think they had some on clearance, but I couldn't remember if I ordered this one or not. So I take it back. Anyway, it was just made me think of my brother-in-law. A little jazz player, a little trumpeter. Pick this up. So this has 7 dyes in it, 2 different types of bows, 3 different sizes actually. 3 different sizes, but you can make them solid or like the shredded look. So I thought that was pretty cool too. So it's a small, medium, and large. 3D bow. I picked, the store we went to had quite a few stuff. I picked this up. This Hope one I thought would be great for one of my friends that's suffering from some cancer right now. So I thought, you know, it'd be a nice card the Hope wanted for her to make for her. This is $5.99, and this has 4 pieces. So it has the dye, and it has 3 sentiments in here. Let me see what the 3 sentiments are. I see you have a nice, you have a fabulous day. Let me see what the other ones are. And it says, you're feeling better soon. Oh, you're feeling better soon. You have a fabulous day. And then the hope. So I guess the 2 dyes are the 4 pieces, mixed of the 4 pieces. So that's that. And then I picked up this dye set, which is a 5-piece dye set, which you can see on the back. This one is called Barberton Daisy, and this one was called Fabulous Hope. So on this one, you have these dyes and these dyes. So you have 5 sets of dyes, which you can cut with any colored paper at any time and make whatever you want. Color them out however you want to do it. You can do whatever you want. But you also have this. I'm always using my daggone, whatchamacallit, instead of my other knife. This was also there for $3.99, and this is the Crafter's Companion Decoupage Topper Pad. So their decoupage, you know, is layering. Our decoupage is making it flat. And here it is something else. So we use the terms differently. But this is a thick pad for $3.99. So this will prevent me from having to color or whatever. I can use this pad to die cut. So what you do is you just take your dyes and you match them up. And you lay them like this 3-piece, lay it right there and cut it out. So there's multiples of the same, so you can get thickness. I never realized it was the same exact one color. I thought it was different colors, but anyway, that will give me quite a few of those to use on any project. So you can take them and then put them on cards. You can make them 3D by stacking them on top of each other. So, or if you choose to just leave it flat, you can. So that was $3.99, and the die set was $7.99 for these $5 flower dies. And it has a little piece of paper of how to do it with the paper set. And then last but not least, I ended up picking washi. Like, I need more washi? Absolutely not. I don't need it. But they did have the Dina Wakley media tape, which, you know, basically it's like masking tape, but it's different size rolls. So you can customize it. You can stamp on it, stencil on it, and color, paint, scribble, sticks, and stuff, and, you know, more. So, kind of like when I bought the blank collage paper, like Tim Holtz collage, you can decorate it and use it and make it your own personal. And so you can use a little piece, a whole piece, or you can even leave it blank, because you can still use those blank pieces in your mixed media or things like that too, and paint over top of it. So you don't actually have to stamp on this and make your own washi, which is one way to use it, but you can also use it as blank. People don't realize you can use blank tape in your mixed media stuff as just adding dimension to your page and texture as well. And then these two I picked up because of the vibrancy of the colors. I was like, yeah, this one has 7, this one has 6. But I love, you know, some of the more vibrant colors and stuff, so in the mixed media aspect of it. Let's see if it has a name on it. No, but it's Delusions. And then this one again, the vibrancy of the colors. And that just mixed media feel, and the faces right there. So I just thought that would be pretty cool. So this is the Dina Wakley, and this is Delusions. But they both were $3.99. I was like, yeah. And they had a lot of Delusion stuff out there this week. But I didn't get any of it. They had the Distress markers by Delusions, as well as Tim Holtz. They had more Spectrum War markers, a whole bunch of them. So by the time this video, they're probably already gone, but anyway, they had all that out. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.